Welcome back. So who do we have here today?
Josh.
All right, what's up, Josh? So today's question, a little simple, you know. So what's the freakiest thing you did this summer? No, come on.
I'm from Charlotte, you know how these niggas do, baby.
I woke up for some money.
Beach vlog, stop playing with the crew. Yeah, okay. We're gonna need some devious content today, y'all. What y'all got in mind?
Bro, it's whatever.
Whatever?
Gonna ask questions and shit. You feel what I'm
Ask
saying?
questions. That's what I'm talking about. So y'all finna see hella content today. We gonna keep y'all tuned in, but yeah, beach day. Yeah, let's get it. What's your name?
Chris.
Chris? All right, what's up, Chris? So today's question is, what's the freakiest thing you've done this summer? Come on. It's cool if it's bad.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Come on. You feel right? Talk. What's your name today?
Cross.
Cross. Okay, what's good, Cross? So today's question is simple. So what's the freakiest thing you did this summer?
This summer?
Yeah. Anything.
Anything.
Yeah.
I ate a bitch ass on the back.
What did he say?
We back. What's your name?
Jeremy.
Okay, what's up, Jeremy? So today's question is simple. What's the freakiest thing you did this summer?
The freakiest thing I did?
Yeah, you can be honest. It can be weird.
Shit.
Yeah, I already know it's bad. What'd you do?
Hit two friends.
Two friends.
Bathroom stall.
Damn. Valid though. I respect that. That's what's up, Jeremy. Appreciate it. All right, so we back today. What's your name?
Jono.
Jono. All right, what's up, Jono? So today's question is, we're gonna start off with two, so I'm gonna be respectful. So you got a girl?
Yeah.
You got a girl? Okay. So I don't know if you can answer this question or not, but what's the freakiest thing you did this summer? Be honest. Be honest with us.
Probably eat some booty.
Eat some ass. Respect her. Hey. Alright, come on.
I ain't gonna lie though. Freakiest thing I did,
Yeah.
probably fuck on the lake, on cheap.
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Oh, I respect that. With shorty. Hey, appreciate it though, John. I appreciate it. Be back at it. At the crib. What's up, Trey?
I know what that nigga was doing.
What's up, nigga? It's all good. Keaton in the corner, looking fat. Yeah, we chilling today. Who's trying to play me in chess? Ooh. Y'all know I bust y'all for what y'all talking about. Hey, it's been a minute since I played pool. Hey, it's been like how many years since I played pool, nigga?
2 weeks. Not even like.
Hey, I'm gonna film some gameplay. If I win, y'all gonna see the video. All right.
No, y'all gonna see it regardless. Incredible weights, my nigga. Hold on.
Bro, these niggas are arguing over if Batman's a superhero.
He's not. What the fuck?
I got no say in that. I don't be.
Obviously, he's not, nigga. He's not even arguing.
That man can bench press between 800
Are you arguing that?
1,000 pounds.
Are you arguing that?
That nigga's a superhero, bro.
He's a fucking hero, nigga.
He's not. He has no powers. What's his power? His power is money.
He said his power is money.
Superhero. So Bill Gates.
If Bill Gates put a super suit on and that nigga started
He's still not a fucking superhero, nigga. He's a hero.
Nigga,
He's a hero. He's a hero.
You know why?
Hero
Because he can
save
afford
people.
anything,
Nigga,
nigga.
let me tell you.
That's super, nigga. He got super money. Fuck.
Super money is
He
crazy.
got super money,
You're
nigga.
goofy as fuck.
That's not.
That's
goofy,
crazy.
nigga.
This nigga. Why
That's
don't you
crazy.
just slip it?
Slip
Or you
it.
can't?
He can.
I mean, I could.
He can
but
military press 600 pounds.
I know a nigga who could probably be able to do that. I feel like there's a nigga out there who could do that.
You can't.
Not everyone.
But are they superheroes
He
too
can
though?
either do legs. No, he can either do legs or he can do chest. He can't do both.
But think about it.
He's just
That
not.
nigga Batman
running around like on some Usain Bolt times, like
That nigga can do everything, nigga. And then on top of that,
nigga, okay.
then on top of that,
They still arguing.
then on top of that shit, look, that nigga saves people.
He's a hero.
Superhero, my nigga.
Hero.
And then he has every martial art memorized, my nigga.
He's a hero.
Like, who the fuck do you know can do that?
Jackie Chan.
Okay, Jackie
Chan
Chan.
has 3, 4,
Liu
5
Kang.
They do not have that memorized. Every style
What is
memorized.
this shit called? Whatever.
Jackie Chan. He doesn't know Brazilian styles. He doesn't know.
Goku.
Shit.
Vegeta.
Me, fuck. At least that.
Come on, bro. Sit down.
Come on, let's go get our food. We finna go to Taco Bell.
Come on, Mike. Roxy up there.
Oh, you right. Hey, bro, this dude dog don't mess with me like at all, bro. The moment she smell me, even a little bit, she get to. You see how she quiet right now? That's because she don't smell me. Nah, she just don't fuck with me like at all. She just don't fuck with me. Bro, I watched.
It's only because you're scary as fuck over here, nigga.
I walked up to her trying to shake her hand. She's on me, bro. Mess with me. Nah. Come on.
Nah. It's because she knows she got more in the camera, nigga.
Yeah, that's what we like.
Okay, she gonna stay knowing that. I ain't gonna lie.
Alright, be back.
Obviously, y'all see Mike is a bitch ass nigga. This dog is not even here. Nobody up here, bro. This nigga Mike. Look at this bitch ass nigga behind that door. Hey, y'all wanna know my kryptonite? Just bring a big ass dog out. And he'll be scared for his life.
Promise she won't start barking, bro.
Mike ass scared.
She in the cage still? She in the cage still? Oh nah. Ooh, the pump go crazy though. I ain't worth to the. Gonna be cooking up football season.
Nigga. Time to track.
Hey, track.
Long jump. Bro, them little ass cats, bro. I'm scared of you,
Bro, I thought you was hurt. I was gonna.
He's scary as fuck. The dog old as hell, can't even move.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
This nigga wanna shit his pants, bro.
You calm. I feel like when Roxy gets cool with me, I'll start.
Marcy knows.
Shoot, when she grow out all her teeth, she done. Oh, that's why.
No.
The lighting in this house is crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
You just a darn ass nigga. Leave in the comments how much of a thorn Mike is on a scale of 1 to 10. I think it's.
Don't let me find your shorty alone. She ain't.
You know it's crazy that shit is not going in the video.
You want to bet?
Yeah.
2 therms in a pod.
Stop.
Y'all see this, right? Y'all see this, right? Y'all see this, right?
Bro, y'all niggas is some
Darn.
Bro, this I have my shirt off. I been have my shirt off though, nigga. You can't say I been have my shirt off.
Why do you have this
This
nigga
nigga
just
just
first
took-
place?
Because nigga, I didn't have a shirt, my nigga. Because we just came back from the fucking beach, dumbass.
We came back from the beach like 4 hours ago.
My point. But did I ever put back on a shirt? This nigga put back on a shirt. He just took it off on some weird
What
shit.
shirt you talking about, nigga?
On some weird shit. Let's go, nigga. What the fuck is you doing?
That shit right there.
You gotta walk in front of my camera and shit. Put your shirt on.
Look at this shit, bro.
Like this.
Bro, what the fuck? No. Send that. We gotta send that.
Go ahead. Let's fucking. Wait, let's get that fucking quick break first. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright. Put the mics down on that motherfucker. Oh god.
What is that?
It's like cinnamon toast.
Cinnamon twist. They cinnamon? Is that motherfucker good? Yeah.
It's like, alright. It's like empty calories.
Oh god.
I like the cinnamon balls better. Like
Yeah, no, that's cinnamon.
Ball pause.
You know.
Pause.
No, I know what you're talking about.
You know, it's like the one like the cream stuff inside.
Whoa! Shit! I didn't know the cream stuff. Yo, where that?
They have cream stuff
Oh
inside.
shit, I
nigga.
don't know, nigga.
Like when you bite it, it just go in your mouth type shit. Like,
No, I swear not. I swear not all of them do, bro.
That's how the ones at Taco Bell were.
Bro, I swear I had the one that Taco Bell, but they didn't have the cream thing on it.
Bro,
Nigga, I don't care. That was a fucking 10 followers in a month.
Because what is it called? I was the first ever thing.
He kept going. He didn't stop. This shit feel like he got no meat in it.
Oh, they did you burgers.
Oh, niggas got.
Ah, hell no.
They did y'all burgers?
I don't know how much you this motherfucker up.
This shit got a quarter.
They said they did you burgers. Oh, they got me. I mean, we can just make up questions for real.
But nigga, we don't kill people in this place.
How y'all feel being out of high school and grown?
We're not grown.
That shit weird. But
We out of high
definitely
school.
grown. We out of high school. That shit weird feeling. I feel like everybody feel like this. Like when you think about it like that, like everybody so like shit.
I feel that.
Or
Really not.
that shit. Everybody has to take this step in life type shit.
It's just crazy. And low-key flew by. When people used to tell me that, I'd be like, you capping, that shit not
Oh
going
God, that shit.
No, Brady. We only knew each other for 2 years now.
Right,
I know. But we all came from like, not the same part, but like, we all like
Kinda
transferred
same
to
part.
this school. Yeah, we all transferred to this school at the same time.
Like, we was new to this school.
Like we all moved to the same school in the same year. You feel me?
That's real. But yeah, junior year.
Why couldn't you have somewhere?
I said junior year.
Junior. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Did you come here like just soon as junior year started?
No, I can't tell this man.
Oh, so I came here first. I came here as soon as junior year started. For football.
Okay, man.
Second semester, right?
A little bit of weeks after second semester because I had COVID. One night, right as I flew, I was looking for some sad shit, ain't no cap. Cause the day I landed, it was New Year's. Like on the plane, and nigga was partying in California and shit.
Damn, he was left out.
Bro.
He was salty. He was like, bro, why couldn't we
I
do
could have
that?
done that one last
could've
party
went one
before I
day?
did. Exactly, bro. And it turned out like, well, I really could have waited too, cause like, I was sick and all that.
But maybe if you would have went to that party, bro, some dumb shit would have happened. You never know.
You're right.
There ain't no more sauce.
Maybe some,
There is.
oh,
Oh, it's all right there.
somebody here that bad stuff. Relationship statuses? Any updates?
Huh? I totally didn't hear what you said.
Relationship statuses? Any updates?
Who, me?
Both of y'all.
Yeah, I'm locked in.
He locked in. He walking away. He know his situation, you know?
I'm single, bro.
He say he's single. That's crazy.
Y'all niggas need nothing.
They got some money.
Trying to stay out the frame.
She just out the frame. That crazy.
I actually don't think need that nothing.
Don't do nothing right there.
I know. You niggas gonna be mad skating though.
I don't
You see
know.
what I'm
Maybe I
saying?
can. I don't know.
Nigga, you definitely
I
can.
probably could be sure scared if I try.
What the fuck you been on?
Give me like 3 years. I think I could do it.
That shit harder than the
How long it take you to be that good at skating? Not no damn 3 years.
You're right, but
Exactly. Think about it like that. Sorry for that abrupt ending for the video, but it's the end of our video today. I'm gonna catch y'all back at the crib though. You know, we're gonna do a little outro. We're gonna be respectful today. All right. Yo, we here. Next day. Sorry I did not get to that clip last night. It's all good though, but you guys know the routine. Don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe, tap into the comment section below, and let me know what your favorite part of the video is. These are my last 2 days here with them until I go off to fall camp, but I'll be visiting every once in a while because I know y'all mess with them like that. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, and you already know, Ice again, we out. Peace.